Hey guys, how are you guys doing? So I'm back with another tutorial. If you're not subscribed yet, like why? Why now? Why not subscribe now? Please subscribe and hit the like button now. So for this look, I wanted something really quick and easy, and I was missing my virgin hair. Like it's been a while. So I got fussy clip ins. Like this is literally the bomb. Like you see these clip ins. You basically won't do any hard work. Just style your hair and then clip the extensions in. I was going for a trendy style in front, you guys. I don't even know. I don't even know what's wrong with my front hair, you guys. Hey, God, maybe I'm bald. Maybe I have bald tendencies. Let me give you guys a quick story. So, I cut my hair like before this particular hair grew back. I cut my hair thinking that my hair would just, like, if I train my virgin hair, my front hair would be like all nice and all grown. But then, to my surprise, it was still giving bald tendencies. Then my mom was like, "Can't I see that we have the baldness in my family?" I want to believe that that's not the reason for mine, no. Because why? What's that? The front hair just doesn't want to grow. I don't even know what's wrong with it. So as I was saying, I'm going for a trending look. You know that trending look now, like when you install a frontal, it's like basically a very trendy hairstyle. So for this hairstyle, see when I start doing like just know that I'm thinking of what to say. So I used the Gorilla Earwax. It's a hair wax, or basically a hair gel, because it said hair gel, but it's thicker than the normal hair gel. So I don't know why it's like that. I shall left it and used the normal petals hair gel, the transparent one, and then I think that one served the purpose. So basically you just slick the front and get that center pattern. So when you get the center pattern and it's all sleek and dry, then you do the other what here. Oh my god, this voice over is on another level of cruise. So basically so I'm very serious now. Okay, so basically you slick down your front edges to get the style, to achieve the style, and then hey god, a minute silence actually first for this my front hair. What is this? Hey Abby, should I go for a hair transplant surgery? Anyways, so just slick down the front hair to achieve the desired sleekness. Personally, I didn't really want it to be like super sleek, because you honestly cannot really get your virgin hair to look like super sleek like that, except you probably stretched it or something. So let it have a little bit rough vibe about it if you're going for what is on my mind. But if you don't mind slicking yours like very well, then that's fine. So just watch and learn for now. I'll come back with my voice over later. I'm back again with the voiceover, and I actually wanted to achieve a half up, half down hairstyle. So that's the reason for this particular pattern. It looks really small, but then it's going to give what it's supposed to give. You get. So basically you gel the whole hair, including this part, and then this particular half part would put the hair clip there. So how do you guys dry your hair? Do you prefer putting your gel and tying a scarf and letting it dry on its own, or do you prefer to dry it using a hair dryer? Because I heard some people that don't like heat on their natural hair when you use a hair dryer. They will just probably tie a scarf. But then I don't know for you guys, but gel itches a lot, so I feel you should properly dry it so it doesn't give you that itchy feeling. Just in case the inner part of your hair is not properly dried, it's probably itch you. So for our clip ins now, I got this clip ins from a brand all things savvy. In all honesty, I love these clip ins. Like, they are really nice. They are giving what they're supposed to give. And then I was contemplating on whether I should use the longer parts below or I should use the shorter parts below. So I decided to go with the longer parts though. So basically you just open the combs, clip, then close the combs back. As easy as that. It's honestly as easy as it looks. Open, clip. You clip it to the root of your hair. Just ensure the comb goes through the hair, then you clip. Open the combs, then you clip it. And just close the combs. Basically as easy as ABC. I know, right? You guys, another important thing about this extension is that it's really soft. Like for 100% synthetic hair or synthetic clipping, it's really user friendly, like soft. You can adjust it. Then you could probably use your scissors to trim where you don't need, where you don't want. It's really soft and easy to work with. Very easy to work with. Thank me later. Get this extension and thank me later. Okay. one good thing about clip-ins is that if there's a base, you can clip it. Provided there's a base, whether it's at the tip of your hair or on top of your hair, provided there's a base you can clip to, it would clip. So for this part, I just wanted something small. I wanted something I could easily manipulate. So that's why I used just 2 clip-ins here. So we're done, and this hair is giving what it's supposed to give. But I think I need to redo my edges sharp. But then it's so cute. I like. So if you like this hairstyle, trust me, you can style these clip-ins anyhow. Do check them out on IG, and then please like, subscribe, and share. Equally comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.